In this video, we are going to look at the field maintenance of fertilizer application. For top dressing, regular fertilizer application is necessary. Application of fertilizer should gradually increases with years. 1 to 3 years after planting, apply 240 grams of CAN and 150 grams of DSP or TSP. 4 to 5 years after planting, apply 400 grams of CAN and 500 grams of DSP, TSP. 6 to 7 years plus after planting, 400 grams of CAN and 1,000 kilograms of DSP or TSP. Apply fertilizer and manure around the mango tree canopy at the beginning of the rains, incorporated well in the soil. We make through in farm output through getting the facts right. Follow this and increase output. Smile all the way to the bank. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.